Biosphere consists of all life on Earth and all part of Earth in which life exists, including land, water, and the atmosphere. Ecology is the scientific study of interactions among organisms and between organisms and their physical environment. Biotic factors is any living part of the environment with which an organism might interact, including animals, plants, mushrooms, and bacteria. Abiotic factors is any non-living part of the environment, such as sunlight, heat, precipitation, humidity, wind or water current, soil type, and so on. There are three types of ecological methods. Observation is often the first step in asking ecological questions. These types of questions may form the first step in designing experiments and models. Experiments can be used to test a hypothesis. Other experiments carefully alter conditions in select parts of natural ecosystems. Many ecologists make models to help them understand these phenomena. Many ecological models consist of mathematical formulas based on data collected through observation and experimentation. Autotrophs use solar or chemical energy to produce food by assembling inorganic compounds into complex organic molecules. Primary producers are the first producers of energy-rich compounds that are later used by other organisms. Photosynthesis captures light energy and uses it to power chemical reactions to convert carbon dioxide and water into oxygen and energy. It also adds oxygen to the atmosphere and removes carbon dioxide. Chemosynthesis is the energy that is used to produce carbohydrates. Some chemosynthetic bacteria live in harsh environments such as deep sea, volcanic vents, or hot springs. Heterotrophs must acquire energy from other organisms by ingesting them in one way or another. Energy flows through an ecosystem in a one-way stream from primary producers to various consumers. A food chain is a series of steps in which organisms transfer energy by eating and being eaten. Phytoplankton is a primary producer that may be eaten by small fishes. The top carnivore is therefore four steps removed from the primary producer. Food web. In most ecosystems, feed is a feeding relationship that are more complicated than relationships described in a simple chain. Zooplankton is the adult krill browse on algae offshore, while their larvae feed on algae that lives beneath floating sea ice. Biomass is the total amount of living tissues within a given trophic level. Biomass is usually measured in grams of organic matter per unit area.